BTP, Big Business Technology for Small Business.
Good morning, everybody. Michael here from BTP. How are you this morning? I hope you had a good weekend. Had carols and fireworks on the weekend, which was pretty good. Made it for an interesting weekend. First of all, the series. I've been calling it the Facebook Live series. Decided to make it the coffee break. Apparently, most of you watch this with your coffee. So I decided I'm going to the deli, got myself a coffee, sitting down, let's have a chat. Today I thought, let's have a talk about one of my pet peeves. One of the things that kind of ticks me off a little bit. So I thought, let's share it with you guys and see what you think. Now, Facebook. How many of us use Facebook? Yeah, we all use Facebook. It's great. I've got friends across in Microsoft in the US. I've got friends everywhere. I keep in touch with everybody. It's fantastic. But what about those surveys? Do you get them? The one that says, hey, you've been a friend of mine for a while. When did we first become friends? Do you have a dog? Do you have a cat? What postcode are you in? What's your favourite colour? What's your kid's name? How old is your kid? All those kinds of things. When you look at any of those surveys, one of them by themselves, it looks pretty innocuous. You start to add them together and you realise people are actually gathering data about you, things that could be used for identity theft. All you need to know are some basic things and you can create another identity or hack a password. Now, how often do you go up to, say, for instance, a government facility and they say, okay, you need a password, but you also need some answers to some common questions just in case you forget your password or you need to prove who you are. First one might be your favourite teacher's name. What was your first pet? Where were you born? When were you born? Your mother's maiden name. A lot of these sites use things that people can't guess. But if you've gone and filled out a survey that says, my mother's maiden name is, my favourite colour is, then people can get this information, bundle it together, and suddenly your accounts are no longer safe. So yes, we harp on about passwords. We tell you to have complicated passwords. But have you thought about the information you freely give that could help people undo all that magic you're doing in your password? Have you thought about it? Because I see all my friends doing it. Friends and family. I look at it and I think, do you realise you've just given the keys to the kingdom away? Do you realise somebody could be reading this information that you're putting out there? And then you look at the little logo in the corner. And what is it? It's not for friends and family, it's for the world. So the world can read your survey answers. And then of course you reply, someone else replies, and you end up with a whole string of people saying, my favourite colour's green, my favourite colour's red, I live here, this is my postcode. In itself, postcode doesn't look dangerous, doesn't have my street address, doesn't have my phone number, but what if the next survey said, don't care about your street name, what's your street number? And the next survey says, don't care about your number, what's your street name? All this stuff comes together and then bang, someone gets their identity stolen or gets hacked. So the next time you see a chain mail or one of those things that says, hey, find out what your top 3 songs are for your name, and you've got to type your name into a generator and it spits out and says, these are your 3 songs related to your name, think about what data you gave them. Think about how it could all be used against you. All food for thought. Anyway, it's Monday. Too early in the week to think too hard. Coffee time. So go and have your coffee break and have a think about it. Share this message. I'm sure that there's something in here for uncles and aunts and cousins and friends and distant relatives and all sorts of acquaintances, because everybody does this stuff on Facebook. No one thinks of the consequences until they get hacked and they don't know how it happened. So share the video. I'd love this one to go absolutely viral. I'd like people out there to know about this. So again, Michael from BTP, comment below, let me know what you think, share the video, and until next time, enjoy your coffee.